truck vlog, driver CPC. Oh, what joy. Trucks have actually got to now. Well, it's London now is becoming virtually undeliverable to. But excuse me, 7 hours on cyclists for truckers. Really? Truckers will never be able to see cyclists coming up and down curbs and all sorts. They can't move a truck as easy as you can a bike, push bike, cycle, whatever. You can't. So, but truckers are almost being made to be. Cycles are like mosquitoes, and trucks are huge. Can't move as quick or as agile, but they're having to be. Oh dear. Driver CPC, why, really? In an era when there was common sense, before everything had to have a cause, it was, but it used to work perfect. Now you can't sneeze. Have you done a course for sneezing? Nanny state rubbish, isn't it? One day done, 4 more to do. Oh joy.